Right, hi everybody. Another video for my series on how to set up a new computer or laptop. And you can see the time. Hopefully this will just take a few minutes to show you. So go to Google, load up Google in your browser and type in VLC. That's all you got to type in, 3 letters. Okay, and then click on Google search. Right, and what you want to go to, videoland.org is the website where the official place is to get VLC player. And what VLC player is, it's a media player that's open source. That means anybody can add to the software or contribute to it, and basically it'll allow you to open up just about every type of video or audio file your computer will ever use. Much better than anything Microsoft come up with, so get it, it's free. So go to videoland.org, click on the blue link there, and you can see the version number, version 3.0.8, 38 megabytes. They do, I've got a Windows computer. They do have a Apple version and a Linux version. I think Linux is that penguin logo, isn't it? So if you wanted the Linux version, you'd click on that. The Android version for your Android phone, but click on that. Okay, and make sure it says it's going to be the Windows version. Your download will start in a few seconds. Again, because I've got this bit of software called Internet Download Manager, that's what's going to download this software for me. Oh god. And again, I'm getting this duplication problem. Why am I getting this? Very strange. Anyway, you see, it's just Internet Download Manager's got a problem. It keeps on detecting the same thing, so I'm going to click on Start Downloads as soon as I can. And you can see that's downloaded in about a second. Oh, stop it! Click on Open Folder. I'm going to get rid of that. You no longer need that browser window open. Close that. I'm going to minimise the browser so it's out of the way. Stop it, Internet Download Manager. What is wrong with it? Just click on cancel that. Right, so again, it will have downloaded to C drive, users, your name, and then downloads. So you want to click on that file, which is 38 megabytes or so, 38.8 megabytes. Double click on that. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? Yes, because you still got to set it up, install it. Select whichever language you want. English is fine. And setup will guide you through the installation. So click on next. Read the license agreement if you want to. As I said, it's free bit of software, nothing to pay ever. So click on next. Now always have a look at when they offer you what to install. So start menu shortcut, yes. Desktop shortcut, yes. And these are desktop shortcuts, if you see what I mean. Icons that they put on your desktop so you can quickly access a program. That's what you want. You want to be able to find it easily. Web plugins for Mozilla, that would be Firefox, yes. ActiveX, yes. What else? File associations with audio files and video files, yes. Okay, just leave it as is, and as you can see, I downloaded a 38 gigabyte file. When you do the full install now, it's going to use up 163 megabytes of space on your computer. So click on next. Decide where you want to install it to. If you want to install it somewhere else, you can of course click browse and install it somewhere else, but C program files is fine. Click on install, and you'll see it'll unpack itself and install all the many thousands of components one bit of software uses. Right, there you go, and it says it's already ticked. You can untick that if you don't want to run it right now, but run VLC Media Player. I'm going to click on finish. Okay, now what's it going to say? Privacy and network policy. VLC Player does not collect personal data. Good. Regularly check VLC for updates. Yes, leave that ticked off, because any software, every now and then they're going to find flaws, and when they find a flaw, they'll rewrite the code, come up with a fix, so you need to download it again. So yes, allow that. Allow metadata network access. Well, what is that? What's the explanation? Metadata network access. I don't. If you're not going to explain that to me, I'm not going to allow it. So Let's untick that. Oh, I see. That means they can look up cover art for music you download, track names, artist names, and other metadata. Alright, I'm going to allow that actually. I do trust VLC Player. Okay, then click on continue. Right, and this is what VLC Player looks like. Let me just get this window out of the way. So it's not screen. So the player, obviously this is minimised at the moment. To maximise it, you click on that square. When you're playing a video, the video will play in this section that's black, and then down the bottom you've got the tools in order to allow you to pause it, fast forward, rewind, etc. You can loop, so you keep playing the same video again and again if you want to. Let's see that it says click to toggle between loop all. Just means if you say you're playing a bit of music you really like, you can click that, and you can, once the music ends, it'll start playing again. You can do things like that. I don't use all of these settings, and the brilliant thing about VLC Player is obviously some videos you download have subtitles, and subtitle files sometimes have to be found on other websites. So you go to subtitle, click add subtitle track, and it will look through your computer, and you can run subtitles for, let's say you've got a foreign film from some website that allows you to watch copyright free films. You can add the subtitles, and then you're watching the film, got the English subtitles, etc. So it's very useful. I'm not going to go into all the settings now. This is just to show you how to install it, but basically I much prefer VLC Player to loads of other video players I've ever used. Obviously the volume's down there. You can use your mouse and you can just click on where it's green, and you can change the volume level doing it like that if you want to. Other than that, it's a very simple bit of software to use. I recommend it to all my friends, etc. So there you go. That's how to install VLC Player. Thank you for watching. As you can see, it's only taken me 7 minutes to install that, and that's including yakking away to explain what I'm doing. So have a look through the playlist. I'll put this video in. I'm showing you how to set up a new computer with all the software you're going to need. I will keep making videos to show you all the software I end up installing on this laptop, and I'll show you how to use the software, etc. So I'll do another video in future showing you how to play a video, maybe something I'll download off YouTube, and I'll show you how to use the actual player. But that's how to install it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.